Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. What if I told you that there could be a plant that could solve multiple challenges in your life, like boosting your health, enriching your meals, and transforming your garden into a wonderful sanctuary? Let me introduce you to Bee Balm, this wonderful ingredient that you didn't know you needed. Hi everyone, welcome back to That Holistic Mom. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits and uses of Bee Balm, also known as Monarda or wild bergamot. Now, this isn't just another flower for your garden. Bee Balm is a medicinal herb, a culinary ingredient, and a pollinator's dream come true. It also boosts your immune system with through natural teas to enhance your garden's ecosystem. Bee Balm offers a range of uses that can benefit your health, your kitchen, and your backyard. Now, I chose this topic because Bee Balm is often overlooked in favor of more common herbs and flowers, yet it is a plant with a rich history and practical modern-day applications, and it actually works to enhance your life in ways that you've never imagined before. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you wonder why and how you've ever lived without it. Now, let's talk about one thing. Most of us are missing out on the full potential of Bee Balm because we simply don't know enough about it. In gardening, we often struggle to attract enough pollinators to keep our flowers and our veggies thriving. But Bee Balm can solve that by acting as a magnet for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. In health and wellness, many people rely on synthetic remedies when Bee Balm offers a natural alternative for things like respiratory issues, digestive problems, and stress relief. And in the kitchen, we often overlook the unique flavors of edible plants, and Bee Balm can add a wonderful citrusy, minty kick to teas, salads, and desserts. Now, the challenge is that Bee Balm's potential remains untapped because it's not widely discussed as other herbs, and today we're going to change that by exploring its many uses and benefits in depth. Now, let's take a closer look at the uses and benefits of Bee Balm in our health, kitchen, and garden. First of all, my favorite part, medicinal benefits. It's actually considered a wonderful natural healer. Now, Bee Balm isn't just a pretty flower. It's a natural remedy. It's packed with healing properties. And here's what you can do and how you can use it for your health. Starting with, it soothes respiratory issues because Bee Balm's antimicrobial and wonderful anti-mucus properties makes it a wonderful herb to use for things like coughs, colds, sore throats, and the compounds inside Bee Balm can really help to open airways and reduce congestion. Secondly, it eases digestive problems, and you can use it as a tea. Bee Balm helps with bloating, gas, and upset stomach. It's also been used to stimulate appetite and improve digestion. And thirdly, it helps to reduce stress and anxiety because of the calming citrusy scent of Bee Balm. Whether you use it as a tea or as an essential oil, it can actually really help to lower stress levels and promote relaxation. And lastly, it's amazing for supporting wound healing because it can be crushed into a poultice or infused into salves through the use of carrier oils, and it's amazing for helping to treat minor cuts, burns, and insect bites. And its antimicrobial properties actually work to reduce the risk of infection and also speed up healing. Now, let's talk about its culinary uses. And it's actually a chef's secret ingredient, believe it or not. So did you know that Bee Balm is entirely edible? It can be eaten. It adds flavor, it adds fragrance, and it adds visual appeal to your meals. So here's a couple of ways that you can use Bee Balm. Starting with my favorite and easiest, of course, is through teas and infusions. Now, the citrusy, minty taste of Bee Balm makes it a fantastic herbal tea. You can add honey, and it will also result in having a wonderful, soothing drink for the colder days. You can also add it in salads and garnishes. Now, you can use the petals of the Bee Balm and just toss it simply into salads for a pop of a color and a mild, tangy flavor. And mind you, they also make a beautiful garnish for cakes and cocktails as well. And thirdly, it's wonderful for homemade syrups and vinegars. So you can infuse Bee Balm into syrups for desserts, for vinegars, for salad dressings, marinades as well. Mind you, anything that you want to add a citrusy, minty kick to it, just add in Bee Balm. And you could also use it to make preserves and jellies because they add a unique flavor twist to homemade jams and jellies as well. So with that being said, let's head straight to the garden and talk about how this wonderful herb is a pollinator's paradise. It's not just a gift to you, but it's also a gift to your garden's ecosystem because it does 3 things to your gardens. Number 1, it attracts pollinators. So bees, butterflies, think hummingbirds. These are naturally drawn to Bee Balm. And with all these pollinators visiting your garden, your flowers and your vegetables will thrive. Number 2, it deters pests as well. Now, who doesn't love a herb that deters pests? We all hate these nasty pests. They come, they eat our plants, they mess up with the garden's ecosystem. But Bee Balm's here to the rescue because it has a strong aroma that can repel common pests like deer, aphids. It acts as a natural pest control solution. And lastly, it's easy to grow because it's low maintenance and it grows well in various soil types, and it thrives in full sun or partial shade, and it can even be planted in garden beds, in borders, in containers, in between other herbs as well. It's fully edible, as I said. Now, here's a pro tip. Bee Balm spreads through rhizomes, so it's perfect for filling empty spaces in your garden. However, please be sure to give it room to grow because it can expand just like mint does. So here is the transformational power of Bee Balm. Imagine planting it in your garden, watching as the bees and butterflies flock to it and boosting your garden's health. Now, you go ahead and you sip a warm cup of Bee Balm tea during the flu season and you feel an instant relief. Now, this is one of my most wonderful favorite experiences, was making my own Bee Balm tea during a particularly stressful week I had back in Finland. And I remember feeling the warmth of the tea, the soothing aroma, and how it immediately was able to lift my mood. I also noticed how it cleared my sinuses and eased the tension in my chest as well. And it was a moment where I truly appreciated how much this plant has to offer to us. And the best part, once you grow Bee Balm, you have endless supply of fresh flowers and leaves to use in your daily life. Now, in order to wrap up today's video, Bee Balm is a great gift from nature that offers us 3 things, starting with health benefits like respiratory relief, digestive support, stress reduction. Secondly, wonderful to use in a kitchen with this unique flavor and edible flowers. And lastly, great in the garden for attracting pollinators, repelling the pests, and it's easy to grow, it's multi-purpose, and it's endlessly rewarding. So if you've been searching for a plant that adds value to your garden, to your health, to your home, Bee Balm is the answer. The next time you're looking for a way to enhance your life naturally, think of Bee Balm. Trust me, you will not regret it. So have you ever grown or used Bee Balm? I'd love to hear your experiences. Drop a comment in the comment section below and share your favorite way to use it. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on herbal remedies and sustainable gardening. See you next time. Take care. Have a great day.